Hello everybody, this is outside my window, Sunday night at 11:46, 11:45. As you can see, the snow's gotten deeper, and I've got a little snow wave right there. And if we look this way, icicle on that little satellite dish thing. There is a snowman off in the distance down there. I don't know how much of it's there anymore. But the snow is blowing all over the place. Trees, bushes, everything's completely covered in snow. And I don't believe the sidewalk is visible anymore. Oh, fun times in Michigan. Welcome to Michigan in January 2012. What a way to start the year. Oh, there goes some snow blowing. It's blowing off my roof. Can't really see it from the video here, but it's going. Anyway, safe journey to anybody else there. And I'm going to zoom in on that snow wave here. Can I do it? And then my video camera's not letting me. So anyway, night night.